Brighter sky, a new day. Time for fun, school today. Meeting friends, teachers too. Ding, 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 school bell ring. Time for school.
It's time for school. And these children are going for the very first time. Let's watch as they make new friends, learn, discover, and play. Mrs. Pavan is the teacher. Mrs. Corbett and Mrs. Cook are in class too. Don't forget Mr. O'Brien, the school's head teacher.
I'm very proud of you all.
Are you ready? It's time for school. What a rainy morning.
Straight into class, boys and girls.
Quick, hurry in out of the wet, everyone. And hang up your wet coats. All ready to settle down for a very important carpet time with Mrs. Pavan. Today, the children are going to learn all about Remembrance Day.
Now then, what are some of us wearing?
I got one too.
Yeah. Do you want to come and stand here and show the boys and girls your poppy? Look.
Freya's wearing a big poppy.
Some people like to wear poppies because it reminds them of something. What do you think it reminds them of?
The war.
Remembrance is all about remembering and giving thanks to those who fought for our country.
So we wear poppies to remember those people who were trying to keep us safe, to show them respect, isn't it? So we don't forget that we are safe today because of all those people who were brave a long time ago, isn't it? We've got some jobs to do, okay? We are making a big, huge poppy in class so we don't forget those people who were brave.
A giant poppy sounds wonderful. It's going to be shared with the whole school in a very special Remembrance Assembly. Antoni, Lilia, Georgia and Scarlett are going to make the first part of the giant poppy.
Now then, we are going to paint petals and we're going to make it into a poppy. We are only going to use one colour to paint. What colour is a poppy?
Red.
Red. So do you think we can do a really good job?
Yeah.
And make this poppy super special?
Yeah.
The poppy will be used in a big display at the Remembrance Assembly, so they're working extra hard.
Well done. What is a poppy?
It's a special flower.
Special flower. Beautiful flowers. Good job.
Someone's on my fingers.
Yeah, because you're nearly finished, Georgia, aren't you? We've got these petals to do as well, look. So when we finish that one, maybe we can have another one to do too.
I'm nearly finished.
There are plenty more petals to be painted.
There you go.
That's still not me. It doesn't matter.
When we put all these petals together, it's going to make a beautiful poppy. What other things do we have to remember? Do we have to remember things in school?
Yeah. Like remember you gotta be friends.
Remember we got to be friends? That's a good one. What else have we got to remember?
Remember to have good listening.
Remember to have good listening. That's important, isn't it?
Follow the golden rules.
Follow the golden rules. Well done. Antoni's done a fantastic job there, haven't you? Let's just have your petals to put on the side here to dry. Now, we've got one job left to do. What do you think that is?
Wash our hands.
Wash our hands.
Lovely petal painting. And there's lots more to do on that giant poppy.
Off you go then. Cover your petal.
The petals have dried. time to add a bit of sparkle. Freya's come to help spread lots of glue on the petals.
I've spreaded it.
Wow.
I've spreaded it with no one again.
Antoni, spread that all around. Here we are, look, Lilia, ready?
Ah!
And then we can always put some more on after. Ready, Freya?
But like, look at that.
Spread it all around, cover all the red now of the petal.
Got your lights in it.
Well done. Oh, good job, Scarlett. Look at Scarlett covering all that petal.
Oh, look at mine. That's really finished.
Good job.
I need that.
Don't want to leave any bits out, do
I'm
we?
done.
I don't think you're going to have any problems with the glitter sticking, are you, Freya?
No.
Gluing done. Time to add some sparkle.
Okay. Remember to cover all of your petals.
This is going everywhere.
Shaky, 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 shaky arms. Shaky, shaky, shaky arms. There you go. Beautiful. Should we do a shake?
The shaking's not finished yet.
Wow, look at them. Aren't they pretty? Yeah, we're going to be sparkling all day now, aren't we?
I'm done.
Good work, Freya. But there's more to do.
Our big poppy needs a leaf. This leaf is going to look exactly like your leaf on yours, Freya.
Because it's going to be sparkly too.
Yeah, it's going to be sparkly too. What do you think this circle's going to be for?
It's going to be the seed.
The seeds. We're going to cover them both with rice, okay? And the rice is going to pretend to be the...
Seed.
Let's get paint in this leaf. Well done.
Freya and Lilia get to work on the green leaf.
Yeah, we want to cover all the white, isn't it? We don't want to see any white.
Scarlett and Antoni are in charge of the seed. A sprinkling of rice looks nice.
I think they look like the poppy seeds. Oh, that leaf's looking fantastic, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like doing a picture leaf. Quick, it's the stuff, isn't it? Look at that.
Nice glittery leaf to go with the flower. And then in the middle, we are going to put the poppy seeds. Going to paint it first.
The leaf is green, but the seeds aren't ready just yet. Antoni and Scarlett use the black paint.
Good job.
Antoni, I think you're finished.
Did you enjoy doing that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Isn't that going to look amazing? Well done.
I can't wait to see the giant poppy all put together.
Okay.
The children settle down for a special remembrance assembly with head teacher Mr. O'Brien.
Bore da, blant. Where this is always a special assembly on a Friday, because we have our gold leaf, this week it is extra special because on Sunday it's a special day called Remembrance Sunday, where we remember all the people who have died in all of the great wars that have happened. And what I've got here is something to show how we will always remember. So we've got 450 poppies on here to represent every child in this school, one for everybody. And what that means that everybody here will remember and show respect for everybody who's lost their lives in any of the great wars.
The poppy display looks beautiful. And Lilia, Freya, Scarlett and Antoni are waiting to show the rest of the school their giant poppy.
And we've got some very special guests. Reception have been very hard this week, making a beautiful poppy to add to our display. I'm going to ask, can some of the children from reception bring up their hard work that they've been doing for me?
Wow, the poppy is spectacular. This is a proud moment for everyone who worked on it.
Well done. Bring it. That's excellent. Shall we put it on here?
the poppy takes its place at the bottom of the amazing display.
Brilliant, thank you. Give yourselves a round of applause. Reception have worked incredibly hard in making this poppy. You've been fantastic this morning and you've shown an enormous amount of respect. I am very, very proud of all of you. Thank you very much.
It's been a very special day for learning and remembering.
Well done.